Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1953 3100 series Chevy pickup, 5-window, that everybody's looking for in black. Before we get into this particular vehicle, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on the corner of Televast and 301, just north of University. We have all makes and models. You're looking at this Model T that is a 1920, and then we have a pair of 2022 C8s and alike. About 80% of our inventory is domestic classic cars, and then as I just showed you, we do have some exotics. You see a Maserati right there, so in that 20% we will have exotics and or European vehicles, but as I mentioned, about 80% are domestic classic cars. We also do provide shipping services, so if you aren't in the state of Florida, we can certainly get your car wherever you are looking for it. We do ship anywhere in the US, anywhere in the world ultimately. Keep about 100 cars in inventory at all times. Our website is classiccarsofsarasota.com, and our phone number is 941-355-1955, and we can be reached 7 days a week. We also do full restorations. If you have a car you're looking to have restored, our main specialty is C2 Corvettes, but we have the capability, our techs can work on just about anything and restore just about any vehicle you're looking to have restored. But today we are back at this 1953 5-window Series 3100, just an absolute stunning vehicle. And you see it in black. The paint is in excellent condition. Vehicle comes with wide white walls, moon hubcaps, chrome wheels. The wood bed is nicely done, and as I mentioned, 5 windows. Certainly the truck everybody desires and is looking for. The underneath is in excellent condition. You can see additional pictures of the vehicle on our website. I think we have over 75 pictures of this vehicle. So if I'm going too fast and there's an area you'd like to see a little bit more, please visit the website and you'll be able to see it. It does have a gray bench seat, 3 in the tree as they say, inline 6, which we'll see in a minute here. Let's see if we can get this open with one hand. Again, a very well preserved and excellent condition vehicle. Has the 1953 originality. The one great upgrade that they have done is it does have power disc brakes all the way around, so 4-way disc brakes power. Get inside it and look. Go ahead and start it up. It does have the, sorry for the darkness, again, pictures online will do it more justice, but we do have the battery cover off, as inside we generally keep the vehicles unplugged. Go ahead and start this up. Vehicle starts right up. hear the truck. Again, great running vehicle. The engine sounds as it should. Inline six, and again, just a beautiful, beautiful 1953 3100 5-window. Flip the back so you can hear the exhaust. Sounds great. Shut it off here. If you are interested, please give us a call. 941-355-1955, or visit us at our website, Classic Cars of Sarasota, for this beautiful, beautiful 3100 series 1953 pickup. Thank you very much.